All right, so we are live. One sec. We are live. We are live. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so we are live, people. We are live. Let me open my live chat. 1 second. And then I'll be able to see what you guys have to say. Okay, 1 second. All right. Great, live chat is open. How's it going, people? Yo, Paul, how's it going, brother? Hope you're doing well. Hello, Yusef. Hello, Lorenzo. Hello, Kamal. Hello, Dan. How are you? I'm good. I'm good, brother. How about you? Hope you're doing well as well. Hey, Dan. Hey, Alexandru. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. Excited for it. Excited for it. Already did my analysis, and I will go over it. I will go over it now. Okay, but first let me open all of my trading apps to have them prepared. I don't wanna miss out on anything. And 1 second. Here we go. All right. We go over here as well. And perfect. Hey, how's it going, brother? Siawashi, Naimi, how's it going? Hello from Tokyo. Hello, brother. Do you trade running? Nope. Gave a valid setup, but it gave it before the stock exchange has opened, hence why I didn't take it. And let me go over the watch list, guys, and then of course we can talk. Okay, we have plenty of time. So on GU, on the 1 hour, we have this valid high, this valid low, this valid low. The low was liquidated. We entered this H1 demand, reacted beautifully from it, and on the 5 minute we can see that it gave us an aggressive shift. It's super clear, good looking VBG as well. However, it triggered before the stock exchange opened. Okay, hence why I didn't take it. So now essentially on GBP USD, I will wait for the price to liquidate the low. Okay, only after that I will then look for a potential new potential buy. Okay, that's the plan for GBP USD. On euro dollar, we have this valid high, this valid low. We entered a 4-hour demand, this one right here. And on the 5 minute, if we go, check this out, we avoided taking a loss over here. Okay, it gave an aggressive shift, very good looking VBG, but once again, it triggered before the stock exchange opened. Okay, and as we can see, it went lower. And let me zoom in to see if it's a equal low. Yes, it is an equal low, but to be honest, I think we would have been stopped out here due to the spreads, but once again, avoided another loss by sticking to the plan. So now on EU, I am waiting for this low to get fully liquidated, okay? And then I would look for a new potential buy opportunity. Next up on GJ, check this out. Check this out. We just have a price just swept the high. We have this varied high, this varied low. The high was just swept now. And if we go on the 4-hour, we have nothing, and neither on the daily. So the only confluence is the H1, beautiful H1 sweep. Could be, of course, we need to wait for the H1 to fully close. But for now, what we can do is we can type in beautiful H1 sweep with, of course, a question mark, A plus potential depending on the MSS. All right, so that's that on GJ. Next up we have gold. On gold we have this varied high, this varied low. Price is currently in between. So right now on gold I'm just waiting for the price to liquidate either the high or the low. And also, guys, very important, I forgot to mention, we have the jolts in 27 minutes from now. So 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, I won't look to enter any setups. Okay. Next up on NASDAQ. Oh, check this out. Check this out. We have this varied high, this varied low, and looks like we could have a beautiful H1 sweep over here. We also entered this H1 fair value gap. Let me note it. Why not? So middle right, H1 VVG. Let me extend it a bit like this. Let's go on the 4-hour, H1 plus H4 VVG plus H4 VVG. Daily, nothing on the daily, but it is more than enough. And if we go on the 5-minute, we could also have a beautiful H1 sweep, depending on, of course, the H1 closure. So let's type in this beautiful H1 sweep with a question mark. And one sec, A plus potential depending on MSS. Nice, nice. And look at this. Look at this volume. Okay, some big volumes were liquidated here. Okay, and now that the volume was accumulated, price is making a big distribution. Okay, so I'm liking this. I'm liking this so far. We could have something over here soon on NASDAQ, so I'll be very, very careful. And yeah, that's that for now on NASDAQ. We move forward on US 30, and looks like we have a sweep over here as well. Or is it an equal high? No, it is a sweep indeed. It is a sweep, guys. Okay. Nothing on the 4-hour, nothing on the daily. So the only confluence will be the beautiful H1 sweep. Of course, we have this liquidation over here as well. And now let me type in H1 sweep with a question mark, of course, A plus potential depending on the MSS. Great. Great, great, great. Color coded with green. And the last in the list is USHF. That might take out the high soon. Okay, we have this varied high, this varied low. Price is pretty close to the high, so for now we just have to wait on it. Okay, so USHF and gold right now don't really present anything interesting, but the other pairs, okay, US 30 could have a potential. NASDAQ could have a potential pretty soon. GJ as well. Euro dollar, we need to wait for the liquidation of the low, and same story with GBP USD. Okay, so yeah, this is what we got so far. Volume is looking pretty good, which is great. So who knows, today maybe we'll have some opportunities. We will have some opportunities maybe. And real quick, guys, before I go over your messages, let me do a short update for the people that aren't able to join us yet. And then I will read all of your messages, okay? All right, how's it going, people? We are live on YouTube. Make sure to join the stream if you can. And I thought to give you guys a short update in case you're not able to join us live. So on GBP USD, price already gave us an A+ setup, but I didn't take it because it tapped into this VVG before the stock exchange has opened. Because of that, I'm now waiting for either the upper liquidity level to get taken out or the low to get reliquidated. On euro dollar, same exact story. Price gave an A+ setup before the stock exchange opened. Because of that, on the 5-minute, I'm now waiting for the low to get fully liquidated, because right now the price gave us a equal low. Of course, this would have been a loss most likely. So we could say that we avoided a loss not taking it due to the fact that it happened before the stock exchange. On GJ, we have a beautiful H1 sweep. We could have a beautiful H1 sweep, and if we will have a beautiful H1 sweep, we will wait for a bearish aggressive shift. On NASDAQ, we have something very good looking. So check this out. We have a H1 beautiful sweep so far. Also entered an H1 plus H4 fair value gap. And right now, the bearish volume is looking pretty good. Okay, so definitely keeping my eyes on it. Same story for US 30. We could have a beautiful H1 sweep over here. We need to wait for the hourly closure to know for sure. If we will have a beautiful sweep though, we will then look for a bearish shift. And lastly, gold and USHF, these two pairs are currently in between the two liquidity levels. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have for now on site. Once again, make sure to join us live if you can, and I will see you guys there. Okay, perfect. Let me send the update real quick in the group. Once again, this is for the people that aren't able to join us live yet. Okay, that's why I am sending this update. Okay, short update. Perfect. Let me drink some water. And I will start reading your messages now, okay? Give me 1 sec. Yeah, this looks good. The only thing I'm not liking is this huge wick over here, because in case we enter a sell, we'll have to cover that. It's so funny how EU gave an equal low over here. So funny. If it wouldn't have been an equal low, and if it would have liquidated this low, this could have been a new setup. But yeah, let's see. Let's see for now. I'm having a terrible time. Any advice? Why are you having this terrible time? Let me know more about it, and then maybe I'll be able to give you an advice. Hello Dan, how are you doing, my brother? I'm good. I'm good, Patricio. How about you, man? I'm happy to be live with you guys. I was looking forward to this live session. And yeah, just sticking to the schedule, really. Got back from Paris last week. It was a beautiful vacay. And now I'm refreshed, so to say. I am recharged and ready for the summer. I'm also happy that the summer came. It's beautiful outside, very hot. It's my favorite type of weather. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I am really happy. How about you? How about you, Patricio? Let me know. Let me know how you guys been. Because I am very curious to hear what you guys have to say. NAS 100 sweep, yes sir. Very well said. Indeed. Indeed. Now waiting for the bearish shift. Yes, Alex. I won't forget about the news. Don't worry. Hey, Marianne, how's it going, brother? So, Marianne, once again, brother, congratulations. Marianne had a baby a couple days ago. He has a daughter, a baby daughter. I'm really happy for him. And once again, brother, congratulations. Super happy for you. Morning, Dan. Welcome back. Summer vacation video and was simply inspiring. Hey, nice, man. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm also happy that I was able to film that much. And to be honest, for the first public vlog, so to say, because to be honest, it was my first public vlog. Because yes, last year I did some vlogs in Greece, but I was by myself. Like when I was filming, there were no people around and it was easy for me to film. But now in Paris, I just had to I don't know how to say it, to go past my fears, so to say, and vlog in public, so to say. And it went well. It went well. I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely do more. What's good, Dan? I'm good. I'm good, brother. How about you? How about you? Hey, Dan. Hey, man. Euro JPY is flying. I'm not trading Euro JPY with this strategy. Can you please show the levels? What levels? Is it necessary that the candle should close above the key level to be a valid liquidity sweep? No. No, it's not necessary. I buy when Asia's liquidity was swept and it was about to hit my TP. What's your opinion about this week? Has a lot of news. Yeah, indeed it has, but that can also be a good thing, you know, because that could also be a good thing because usually when many news are due, the volatility is also better, and I already feel that. I've mentioned it since yesterday that the volume this week seems to be pretty good, and that's a good thing because without volume we cannot have our setups. So I'm okay with it. I'm happy about it, but I will also avoid the news. You know, on Friday I will not trade at all because of the NFP. And then today, for example, 5 minutes before the jolts, 5 minutes after, I will not enter any setups. I am very strict with my rules against the news because otherwise it can get very messy, you know. But yeah, I have a good opinion about this week. I'm good as well, my brother. I came back from a short break. I was in Bali for a month, grinding on the side. Overall, doing great. Nice. That's cool, man. That is so cool. I hope Bali was great. To be honest, in the future, I'm looking to go there as well for a month or two to just work from there because I heard it's really beautiful. But nice. I'm glad to hear that, man. Hey Dan, are you in the GU trade? Nope, I'm not because this one, although it was a valid A+ setup, it triggered before the stock exchange has opened, and because of that, I didn't take it. Devils of all the pairs. You can just go back on the video on the live and see the analysis I did in the beginning, or just wait 4 more minutes until I'll go through the pairs again. It needs to be too bearish and too bullish to consider a low, a high. Yeah, correct. I saw that today was a lot of volume. Yeah, there we go. Exactly. Due to the fact that there's a lot of news this week, that's why the volume will also be big. Why gold does make big moves in Asia? It's always been making big moves in Asia. Also, I bear good news. I passed another challenge and my total now is 200K fully funded. Nice, brother. That is great. Congratulations. Super happy for you. Super happy for you. That's a great milestone. That is a great milestone, man. Happy for you. Josh, please stop spamming, man. I'll have to remove you if you continue spamming. I already did my analysis on gold. Right now, price just swept the low. I will look at it in 3 minutes. Okay? But please stop spamming. If you will continue spamming, I will remove you. Glad to hear that you are over the public vlogging fear. We need more of your vlogging. Yeah, I try my best. Do you think you have a 2% or more than 1% risk trade on FTMO? You have problems with the account? what I would recommend you is use 1% on the challenge and then on the funded 0.5% per trade, and you'll have no issues. Yesterday it worked bad on GJ. I saw an H1 sweep, took the trade, it went on 1-to-1 error, and then the SL, and then SL, and after TP. I see, but yesterday the thing is there was no valid setup on GJ. So I'm not sure what setup you took yesterday. Yeah, I mean, there's no way I can know. But yesterday wasn't, there was no valid setup on GJ. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. It's well deserved. It's well deserved. So yeah, congratulations once again. Let's see, how many likes are we on? We are only at 19 likes. Come on, guys. We can do way better than that. If you are enjoying the session, if you are enjoying the lives all together, I would really appreciate you guys hitting that like button. And also, of course, the subscribe. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, to not forget to not miss out on any future uploads, and of course on any future live sessions. Okay, so feel free to hit the subscribe and also the like button if you are enjoying the live sessions. And yeah, let's quickly go over again on GU, waiting for the liquidation. EU looks like we could have a liquidation soon, which is good. On GJ, the price is going higher, and let's make some adjustments over here. So we took out this high as well. We still keep the beautiful H1 sweep with the question mark, because in 10 minutes the H1 will close and we'll know for sure. However, we have a added confluence over here now. We have this H1 fair value gap. So let me note it real quick. Middle right, H1 VVG. Let me extend it like this, and perfect. Do we have it on the 4 hour as well? Nope. And on the daily too, so that's nice. H1 plus daily VVG. Nice. That's a good confluence. So now on the 5 minute, we will wait for a aggressive bearish shift. Look at the price action here. Wow, it just went super one-sided to the upside. On Nasdaq, we liquidated this high as well, which is a good thing, because if anything, the price stopped out some more sellers, accumulated some more liquidity, which is a good thing. I am not complaining at all. So let me just mark this small liquidity grab as well on the 5 minute. Waiting for the bearish shift. US 30 waiting for the bearish shift as well. Gold took out the low, took out this low over here as well. Entered this H1 VVG. So all of a sudden, all the pairs could present something interesting, which is cool. Which is cool because that means that we'll have a bigger chance to have a setup today, or more setups, who knows. So H1 VVG, 4 hour as well. Yeah, 4 hour as well. So let me extend it, and H1 plus H4 VVG. On the 5 minute we go, and we have a beautiful H1 sweep, A plus potential depending on MSS. Great. And we also have this liquidation on the 5 minute, which is another good confluence. And yeah, a lot of interesting opportunities. Okay. And USHF is also approaching to take out the high. So yeah, maybe soon we'll have something interesting on USHF, and that will mean that we'll have a potential on every single pair. So that's cool. That would be cool. But yeah, for now we'll focus on gold, US 30, Nasdaq as well. GJ, and these two, EU and GU, I'm patiently waiting right now, not doing anything. And yeah, that's that for now. Let's see what you guys wrote here. What is your indication to know if the liquidity sweep is invalid? What do you mean? Do you have a glass funded certificate? What's that? Hello Dan, can you check gold please? Yeah, so on gold, I just did the analysis. We liquidated the low. We entered an H1 plus H4 VVG. And now on the 5 minutes, I am waiting for a bullish shift. Okay, that's what I am waiting for on gold. How often do you trade on live? Publicly only once a week. In my community, however, twice a week, and then every single day in my community, I send the trades I am taking. Okay. Reason I go live publicly only once a week is because I only have time to do it once per week, due to the fact that I have a lot of things to take care of, my own trading, my community, the people in my community. I have sessions as well. I need to be active with them as well, and because of that, I am only able to go live publicly once a week. That's why I always say that if you guys like me, like my style of trading, and would like to become part of the community, you should definitely consider applying for the mentoring. Okay, and you can do that by clicking the first link in the description of this live session. Let me see if the link is available. Yeah, it is. And I changed the format. Now you guys will get in contact with me directly. There will be no booking a call with someone else. No such thing anymore. I went back to the old way because I noticed that you guys prefer that more, to just get in contact with me directly. So basically, if you'll click the first link down below in the description of the live session, you'll be able to apply for the program and message me privately. Okay. And then after the session, I will get back to you guys, and I will see if you guys are a good fit for the program. Okay, but after the session, if you guys apply for it now, just know that I'm not ignoring you. I'm focused on the session, and I will be able to get back to you afterwards. Okay. Was there any valid setup yesterday? I was unable to find any. Nope, yesterday were no valid A+ setups. Yeah, Bali is a very amazing place for growth and work. I was thinking the same about going there for work, 4 to 6 months. Give a thought on it. Nice, that's cool. That is cool. Definitely good to know. And yeah, like I said, man, I'll definitely consider going there as well soon. It's always been on my mind. Can you please explain the levels of EU and GU, please? It's very simple. Okay, this very high, this very low, the low was taken. And on EU, also very simple, very low, very high, the low was taken. Okay, these are pretty easy levels to identify, in my opinion. There's another H4 lower. That's where I'm waiting for a long on gold. Let's see. What do you mean on gold on the H4? I don't get what you mean. Hi Junior, is it true that Bali is cheap for rent and food? Yeah, Junior, if you want, let us know. But I've heard the same thing. I've heard the same thing, that Bali is pretty cheap. So yeah. How do you know if on gold that is a liquidation and not a BOS? So we don't know for sure yet. I forgot to place the question mark, sorry. Let me place it now, perfect. In 3 minutes, we'll find out for sure, okay? If it's a beautiful H1 sweep or not. So yeah, bear with me. If the market is slow, do you wait for your TP or exit early? And do you have a time limit after which you avoid holding trades? I don't care. I'm just holding my trades to the TP, SL, or break even. I only close out earlier on Fridays at 6:30 p.m. UK time. Okay, that's the only time I close manually. How do you put these green lines? These lines with this horizontal ray. For you, a BOS is an MSS? Yeah, BOS, MSS, I could call it either way here. Hey guys, good morning. Hey man, good morning to you. Good evening for us. Maybe good night for some. Dan, I'm in a trade on GBP CAD. I've had great results with this pair with your strategy. Nice. I mean, if you're enjoying it, feel free to trade GBP CAD. I personally didn't choose it in my watch list due to the fact that these pairs had better results. It's a vendor certificate after passing the test. There's a person on Instagram who makes them and covers them with glass. Funded award. Oh, I think I know what you mean. It's like a small trophy, so to say, out of glass with the payout on it. I've seen that too, and it looks pretty cool. Maybe soon I'll consider getting one as well. How much risk to reward did you have on month May? On day trading. Month May for day trading was a break-even month for me. However, to give you some context, in April I had 13 RR. Okay, only on day trading. May was still profitable for me due to the swing trades that were really good. Yeah, those were the results. What is your setup that the setup is now invalid? For what setup? For what setup are you talking about? Yes, it's true. Oh, I'm guessing you're saying it's true that Bali is pretty cheap, right? Do you only trade New York Open? I trade from the stock exchange open till the lunch hour. Hey, Guillermo, how's it going, brother? I think you wrote sending regards from Chile, right? Bro, did I miss the trade? No, you didn't miss anything. I didn't enter this trade here. I'm waiting for a liquidation of the low because this trade happened before the stock exchange has opened. US 30 about to break the BOS. Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. And we do have a setup over here. Wow, this happened so fast. I was about to miss it. We have a setup, guys. We have a setup. I repeat, we have a setup right here. Okay. TP will be over here. Okay, so let me send it real quick in my community. And then also place it on my accounts. So save image. Here we go. Copy. Let me just double check to make sure that nothing else is requiring our immediate attention. And yeah, check this out. EU liquidated the high. Props to us. And yeah, let's see. I'm inputting my parameters, guys. That's why I am quiet. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's see, guys. Let me just double check to see if there's anything else that requires our immediate attention. Looks like there isn't. Okay, so now let's go on the 1 hour and see if there's anything we need to update. The joules have dropped as well, which is good because that's why I placed the sell limit on US30, because I saw it was pretty far away from the entry as the joules chopped. And now for today, there's no other news, right? Yeah, there isn't. There isn't. Yes, I took the US30 trade, okay? I placed the sell limit. Now I'm waiting for it to trigger. I will check your messages very soon, okay? Right now on UCHEF, nothing going on really, so I'll just leave it as is. US gold gave a beautiful H1 sweep indeed, because this candle failed to close below. Let's move these a bit lower. 4 hour. Yep, still looks good. Yep, still same analysis on gold. US30, we just analyzed this pair. Yep, indeed it gave us a beautiful H1 sweep. Let me delete it. The question mark. Sorry guys. And now we're waiting for it to get triggered. Nasdaq didn't give us a beautiful H1 sweep anymore, so let me delete it. Let's bring this up here. However, we still have the, or we don't, no more H4 VVG, I guess. What about the H1? And no more H1 VVG either. So right now, nothing going on NAS, because once again, no confluence on the H1, no confluence on the H4, no confluence on the daily, and we fully closed above this high. Okay, next up, GJ. We don't have a beautiful H1 sweep anymore, so let's delete that. Wow, many adjustments to be made. The markets are very volatile. Markets are very volatile indeed. No more H1 VVG. What about the 4 hour? What about the daily? Yep, no more daily VVG either. So yeah, right now I am waiting for this high over here to get liquidated on GJ. We move forward. Yep, perfect. Euro dollar liquidated the low. We officially how's it called? Avoided taking a loss on euro dollar, and over here we have an H1 demand as well. So H4 plus H1 demand, looking good, looking good, looking good. 5 minute, check this out, guys. Liquidated that low. We dodged the loss successfully, and yeah, let me mark the liquidation as well. Dotted line. Sorry for not being active on the live chat right now, but I am very busy with analyzing the charts. But as soon as I'm done, and then we'll be waiting, I'll be back on the live chat. Okay. On GU, we created this new low over here. So right now, I'm waiting for the low to get liquidated. Okay. Looks like again we avoided taking a loss over here as well, because this looks pretty ugly. It doesn't look like it will hold and it will head higher, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. So for now, let me bring up the green pairs and let me put GU over here. So yeah, UCHEF waiting right now. Nothing to do because there's no conferences. Okay. Next up, Nasdaq waiting, patiently waiting, because again, there are no higher time frame conferences. We go further, GJ in between, GU waiting for the low to get liquidated. Euro dollar looking good, looking really good. Accumulated some more volume, stopped some more buyers out, early buyers. So now maybe we could have a impulsive move. US 30 waiting for the sell limit to trigger. Okay. And gold waiting for a bullish shift. Okay, so yeah, that's that for now. That is that for now. Let's see how many likes are we on now. We are at 32 likes. We can do way better than that. I think last time we did over 100 likes. So if you guys are enjoying the live, I would appreciate you guys smashing that like button, and also hit the subscribe button as well if you are not subscribed. And I've seen notifications on my phone from you guys asking me about the mentoring details. I see that some of you applied for it. I'm not ignoring you. Once again, as soon as I will be done with the session, I will be able to get back to you guys. But please only apply for the mentoring program if you are truly serious about trading. Okay? Because otherwise you will waste your time, and I will waste my time as well. So yeah, 1 second, I will read your messages in a sec. All right. So, oh, nice, you chef. I mean, I already knew this, sorry. I had a brain fart. Yeah, on USHF, I'm waiting to see whether it will be a beautiful H1 sweep or if it will take out this high, because right now, as things stand, there's nothing going on. There's no confluences, so that's why I didn't do anything on it. Okay, so let me go to your through your messages, because there's many. So here we were with US 30. How will you plan trade on GU now as it swept the liquidity before the session starts? I'm waiting for the low to get liquidated. Yes, it's true, the prices for rent and food are very cheap. I had a villa for a month and I paid $650 and food cost doesn't total to above 200. Wow, that's super cheap. And was it a nice villa for that price? Because that's super cool. I'm not gonna lie. The low on US 30, the low on US 30, the low on US 30. The low on US 30, too bearish, too bullish. It's a valid low. So, yeah. Okay. Looks like it will trigger us soon. Let's see. Brother, I am not trading the silver bullet, okay? Stop spamming the same message, otherwise I will have to remove you. EU swept the downside liquidity. Yes, correct. That is correct. I don't get why you never took the other trades. You never take trades before the stock market open. Exactly. I never take setups before the stock exchange opens. Hey, Maddox. How's it going? How's it going, brother? Yep, this is the first setup for today. Yep, US 30 valid. Hey, Dan. Hey, man. NQ. What about NQ? NQ just took out the high, and right now I see no other confluences, so that's why I am not doing anything on it. No, I don't put the numbers as they are on TradingView. I am comparing the structure with the structure on the MetaTrader, and based on that structure I am placing my setup as well. Hey bro, do you use only 1 hour and 5 minutes? Nope, there's more to it than that to this strategy. Give a look at USHF again. It just liquidated an old high. It didn't liquidate this one here, but it looks like a beautiful H1 sweep right now. So I'll definitely keep my eyes on it for sure. Let's see what other messages. First time here from South Africa. Welcome, welcome, brother. So basically, wait for the liquidation of a valid 1 hour high and low, and after you go to the 5 minute for a shift. Yeah, that's the main thesis of the strategy, but there's a lot more to it than that, because there's also the higher time frame confluences, and those are also very important. So yeah, it's not only the 1 hour liquidity levels and then the 5 minute shift, and that's it. There's more to it than that, you know. So yeah. Which platform do you think it's better with the rules, FTMO or TraderScale? To be honest, man, I think TraderScale, being a newer platform, also has better rules to attract people. So therefore, I would say they have better rules, in my opinion. So yeah, but of course, if you want to go for a old prop firm that's been in the game for the longest time, then FTMO is the prop firm to go for. Just know that they have the biggest prices and also the biggest targets to pass the challenge. Check USHF Dan. I've already checked it, and right now there's nothing. Okay, so let's just do a quick rundown. Nasdaq nothing, DJ nothing, GU nothing, euro dollar. We could have something on euro dollar very soon, so I will keep my eyes on it. On GBP USD nothing, and on US 30 we are very close to the entry. So right now I will focus on euro dollar because very soon it could give us a setup, and this here looks very good. I really like how euro USD is looking. It's a very good looking potential A plus. Very good confluences as well. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. Also liking the fact that there were many liquidations on the 5-minute as well, and we could very soon have a plus setup over here. Okay, so let's wait on it. Yo, Dan, hello. How's it going, Alejandro? Hope you're doing well. EU smashed a demand zone. Yeah, it entered a demand zone. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Maddox. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. 2022 model, similar, but not that. If you check MT5, US30 has reached a small gap. I know, but that's not where the entry is at. Oh, never mind. It entered anyways. It entered anyways, so over here, oh shoot, over here we've entered, and yeah, now we just have to wait and see how it will go. Let me update in the group that we are in for the people that are not with us live. And now that we're in the trade, you guys already know what I always say after we enter a trade. Now that we're in, our job is done. When it comes to US 30, we just have to let it run. It will either be a stop loss, a TP, or a break even. Okay, we just leave the markets do its thing, and either way it will be fine. Either way it will be fine. We will now focus on euro dollar because, like I said, soon we could have a setup over here. Let me not draw any VVGs for now because there's no shift yet, so I'll wait for that. Harry, I've read your message. You don't have to spam it multiple times. There's no such thing as making 100K on a payout. Okay, I think there's no prop firm that will pay out 100K, and to be honest, it's pretty impossible to aim for a 100K profit having the drawdown rules. I mean, yes, maybe if you gamble it, you will be able once in many times, but that's not sustainable. Okay, so stop with this mindset of aiming for huge home runs, for huge payouts, because trust me, that mindset will get you nowhere. Instead, focus on 3-4% months and then scaling up the funding until 3% a month means a lot. Okay, can you give a clue for the swing trading strategy? Is it about liquidity sweeps as well? No, it isn't. It isn't, and unfortunately, I'm not giving any clues because, like I said, I keep that strategy strictly for the members in my mentoring program, because that strategy is the main strategy of the mentoring program, a strategy I personally developed from scratch. Okay, so the only way to get access to it is by joining us. Okay, but like I said, if you want to apply for the mentoring program, you can do that by clicking the first link in the description of this live session. You will be able to apply for it and contact me privately, but please only apply for it if you are serious about it. Okay, if you're serious about trading, because like this, we won't waste our times. Okay, you won't waste your time, and I won't waste mine either. All right. That's a big wick on the M15 put off on US 30. I'm not checking the M15 time frame, so there's how can I say? I don't care about the M15, so there's nothing for me to check on that time frame. So yeah, why not let me put the first target real quick to have it placed, which is right about here. Good. And yep, now waiting on EURUSD because it is so close to offer us a shift. Super close, but yeah, we'll have to wait. We will have to wait. US 30 entered. Yep, got triggered. Yes, sir. I didn't know about the stock market open rule. Do you have any other advices about the strategy? Thanks. Like I said, man, there's way too many things to discuss about the strategy in order to be able to trade it the same way as I do it. Okay, and that's essentially what I have. Why I have a program in place. Why I have my own community where I send the trades I take every single day. Because only that way you can start seeing the markets the way I see them, and essentially start taking the same exact setups as well. You know, can you please tell what is the above level for EU? What do you mean the above level? The upper liquidity level? It's this valid high over here, if that's what you were asking for. So yeah, let's wait now. Let's wait for euro dollar, because soon it could give us a setup. And yeah, I can see some more messages regarding the mentoring. Like I said, as soon as the session will be over, guys, I will get back to your messages. Okay? Don't worry. Are you trading in a real or fund account? Fund accounts. Do you think Trader Scale is alright to start with? Yeah, I think they're a good prop firm. Why I can't find US 30 on MT5 on a Trader Scale account? You have it as Dow Jones, DJ30, I think. That's what it's called. On different prop firms, you have it either US 30 or Dow Jones or DJ30 or US 30 cash. There's different options, but on Trader Scale, I think it's DJ30, if I'm not mistaken. Then if I have a trade on FTMO first challenge with 1.3%, but the trade has almost $800 in profit, and with the next 2 or 3 trades, I'll pass the challenge, do you think it will be a problem? I don't really understand what you mean. fully. So yeah, I'm not sure what you mean. I didn't really fully understand what you mean. Hey Dan, on you, there is no H1 liquidity. How are you taking trade on this? What do you mean there is no H1 liquidity? Then what's this low here? This is a very clear liquidity level. This low was clearly liquidated and it entered this H1 plus H4 demand, and looks like soon we have a setup. And US 30, it's not looking great, is it? It is not looking great. We might have a loss here, guys. We might have a loss here. But it is all good. It is what it is. It was a valid setup, and there's nothing we can do about it. I don't like how it invalidated the FVG, but yeah, let's see, because euro dollar is giving us a shift as we speak. So let me mark it, BOS. There we go. This is the FVG. One sec, I need to double check something. Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Perfect. Let me check the other pairs real quick to make sure that they don't require our immediate attention. And they don't, so that's fine. USHF might. USHF might, so let's bring it up here. But yeah, euro dollar might give us a setup here, guys. Okay, waiting for the shift confirmation. I want to see the candle closure. If I see it, we'll take it. If not, we won't. Pretty active setup. Pretty eventful setup. Not setup, session, I wanted to say. Oh, one sec. Just trying to get out my charger. Yeah, I'll just leave it here for now. Looks like a weak shift right now. Does this day trading strategy apply on the London session as well? I mean, you can backtest it. I backtested it and I liked it more doing the New York session. That's why I am solely using it for the New York session. We have gold BOS. This right here is not a valid BOS because this right here is not a valid high. Okay, so nothing on gold for now. Patiently waiting for this candle to close here to see how it will close. Sorry, I risked $100 and the RR was 1 to 8. It was a day trade with the entry on the 5 minute. Oh, I see. I mean, I think it should be fine. I think it should be fine. On a normal month with both strategy, what RR do you have at the end? There's no such thing as normal month. If I would say on average, I would be lying because it really depends on how the market moves as well. For example, in April, with both strategies, I think I had 18 RR, which was insane. It was an insane month. And then in May, I had 4 RR. In March, I think I had around 10 RR. So yeah, you can make your average out of these numbers, you know, if you want. But like I said, it varies. It varies. Gold, there's nothing on gold right now. USHF is nearly at the liquidity level. Yep, I saw. Hey Dan, AU makes a good BOS on the 5 minute. Can you check? Brother, I'm not trading AUD/USD with this strategy. Okay, I'm only trading these 7 pairs here. So yeah, check this out, guys. It gave us a weak shift after all, hence why I'm not placing a buy limit yet. Okay, still waiting. US 30 going a bit lower now, towards the entry price. Gold, nothing. USHF nothing, GU, nothing, GJ, nothing, and the Nasdaq, nothing. So let's just focus on EU for now, because with this candle, maybe we could fully close above the high, and then I will consider this setup. Okay, so there is still a chance here. Okay, thumbs up. Perfect. Perfect, Jogosh. I'm glad you understand. How is that VVG valid in EU? What do you mean? Why wouldn't it be valid? Don't you see a VVG here? This week isn't overlapping with this week. Hence why there is a clear VVG. Or are you talking about the fact that what this week entered the previous VVG and closed it? Yeah, it did close it. It's not like this anymore. Okay, it's like this, but the VVG is still there. Okay, so yeah, hope it makes sense now. You chef. Yeah, thanks, George. Thank you. Soon, maybe we could have something over here. I mean, that's tiny VVG there. I wouldn't be keen to enter it. Waiting for something better. Where is the BOS on gold? Right now, I think there's nowhere. The BOS on gold is up here, so that's too far. Basically, what we want is for gold to create a second leg and then a break of structure. Okay, that's what we would like to wait for on gold. But yeah, let's see, because EURUSD is moving. EURUSD is moving. Did you chef gave a BOS? Please check. Isn't it tapped already? I told you, it isn't. As you can see, there's a clear VVG here. Yes, this one was tapped in, but still, there's this VVG that was left behind. Okay? Yeah, we have to wait. UCHEF is moving as well. Yeah, US 30 not looking great. Like I said, it might hit the SL. But check this out, guys. We might have a setup here, okay? So let me quickly place it. Just place the position tool. So entry will be here. Stops will be below this low over here, 18 pips, and the TP at 2RR. But let's wait for the candle closure, okay? Right now there is no BOS. There is no aggressive shift, sorry. I want it to be straight. Okay, there is no aggressive shift yet. We need to wait for the full body closure. If we'll get it, happy days. If we'll get it, happy days. Yeah, UCHEF is giving us a full body closure now. Not euro dollar. But let's see. Let's see. UJ, please. I'm not trading UJ. I'm on break even 2.5 month. You mean 2 months and a half? Or what are you talking about? And if you're on break even, then you must ask yourself why. You must find the reason for that. So for a valid BOS, you need it to be 2 candle low or high break. The above liquidity level, brother, is this one here. So no, it's not surpassing it. Use shift to make a straight line. Yeah, I know. But wait, because I need to be focused. No shift yet. No aggressive shift yet. Let's check the others real quick. Gold nothing, EU nothing. This is looking so good. This is looking so good, but for some reason it is failing to give the shift. Okay, so that's a sign. Over here, guess what? There is no aggressive shift over here either. If we zoom in, we can see sometimes, yes, you do have to zoom in like this. We can see that it didn't close below it. It's literally on the line. Okay, so yeah, maybe with the next candle it will, but we'll see. We will see. What about the other pairs? GJ is just trending upwards. Same story with GU. Yeah, for now I will have my eyes on USHEF and on Eurodollar. Come on, EU. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Let's smash the like button, guys, for EU to head higher. We are at 46 likes now. If you're enjoying the live session, feel free to smash that like button. That'll be very much appreciated. And hopefully it will help EU head higher as well. And check this out. It's already moving higher. Check this out. Let me... okay. If it will close like this, we will have a BOS, and then I will be keen to enter this buy limit over here. But yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see. It's hitting a wall here. It's literally like hitting a wall here. But it's fine. It's fine. There's no point in stressing over it. I know I want to have a setup with you guys. Another setup, of course, because the US 31 isn't looking ideal. But I'm not here to force it. Okay? If it will be a setup, it will be. If not, it won't. So yeah, there's nothing to stress about. But it looks like we might have a closure here. Why did you switch from SMC to ICT? I mean, the thing is, guys, SMC, ICT, what you need to understand is that so many concepts are similar. Okay, so if VBG, you can find it imbalance. VBG is the SMC imbalance. So there's no such thing as oh, SMC is better or oh, ICT is better. It's literally what suits you and what you find works best and also is easy to use. So yeah, how did May look for you intraday? Like I said, May intraday was break even. Okay, overall May was +4 RR due to the fact that I had some very good swing trades. But intraday, May hasn't been the best month. It was a slow month. I wouldn't say it was a bad month because it's not like I was in a big losing streak in May. It was literally a slow month. Okay, the volume wasn't great, many fake outs, less setups than usual. But to be honest, I was expecting it because April was extremely profitable. And usually after a super profitable period, a slower period occurs as well because otherwise trading would be too easy, right? Bear in mind, in April, intraday only, with the day trading strategy only, I made 13 R. And in April, I had 7 winners in a row. I had a huge winning streak. All the 7 winners at 2 RR, bear in mind, okay? So it was normal after a period like that to have a slower period like May. And now that June is here, I expect this month to definitely be better than May when it comes to day trading, okay? Based off the past experiences, of course. Yeah, we'll see. I'm nervous for the US 30 as I miscalculate my lot size. I mean, if you saw that you miscalculated it, you should have deleted the order, okay? That's my opinion. But hey, Eurodollar is valid. So I need to be super careful now. And firstly, send it in the group and then place it on my accounts. So if I will be quiet for the next minutes, you guys know why, okay? Because we have a valid setup. That is why. So let's go over here. Okay, placing it. Okay. And over here. Okay. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. Everything is set now, and Euro USD is now heading towards the entry. So yeah, this is a valid setup. USHEF gave a impulsive BOS, a aggressive shift, but there is no VVG yet, so there is no setup. Yeah, US 30 is going towards the SL, unfortunately. Yeah, looks like it will be a loss. It's all good. It's a valid loss after all, so there's nothing to complain about. It's part of the game. GJ nothing, and Nasdaq nothing. So let's just sit on EU for now to see if it's going to trigger us. And yeah, we'll see. We will see. Did you place the EU trade? Yep, I placed the buy limit. Let's go EU. Yep, hopefully. When you say stock market open, you mean by the time the prices enters the VVG before stock market open? Yeah, if it enters the VVG before the stock market open, I'm not taking it. Okay? It's that simple. UCHEF, nothing on UCHEF right now. I mean, we could say we have this super tiny VVG over here, but yeah, I mean, that's not A plus looking for me, is it? Did you enter EU? Yep, I did, but waiting for it to trigger now. We have an MSS on UCHEF, but no VVG. Yep, that is correct. What is the best time to trade fake breakouts? I don't know, as I'm not trading fake breakouts. Just watching your videos in a few days and my stress with to find daily buys has gone. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm glad to hear that. Probably US30 will take the zone at 42380, but we'll see. Yeah, like I said, I don't really have high hopes with this setup. I think it will be a loss, but yeah, it is what it is. To be honest, I think I could have avoided it due to the fact that this low wasn't a clear one and this high was a artificial high caused by the stock exchange. This push, sorry, was an artificial push. But yeah, maybe I was a bit biased to take it due to the fact that I'm on the live and that I want to have action. Especially that last week we didn't have the live due to the fact that I was in Paris. So yeah, I admit that I could have avoided the US30 setup, and that's a small mistake I did. Okay, I think that's a small mistake I did. Really, I do mistakes like this, but yeah, I'm still human at the end of the day, and that's why risk management is extremely important. Okay. But euro dollar is looking good. Okay, this is a good looking setup. There's no excuse on this setup. So we'll see because I do think it will trigger. I do think it will trigger. All right, let's see, guys. We are at 51 likes. Let's see if we can smash 100 likes today. Yeah, US30 is super close to the SL. Most likely we'll hit it very soon. But let's see. Maybe EURUSD will turn out to be a good trade. But anyways, we'll find out together. We will find out together. I'm glad to see that there's some of you guys that reached out. As soon as the session is over, I will get back to you. Okay? Don't worry. Come on, EU. Don't you want to enter the trade? Sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh, come on, don't do this. Please don't miss the entry by less than 2 pips and then go to the upside, because that's very annoying. I'd much rather have EU trigger us and then smash the SL than missing us by less than 2 pips and then heading straight to the TP. In my opinion, that's a bigger pain. That's a bigger pain for sure, in my opinion. But yeah, we'll see, guys. We'll see. For now, we need to stay patient. We are entering the final trading hour of today. And yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Wow, but this weather is so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I'm super happy with the weather. Super happy. In 5 minutes, I will check the 1 hour time frame as well to see if we have anything new over there. And yeah, we'll see. We will see. Come on, you. Slowing down. But let's see. Yeah, let's see. In less than 1 minute, the hourly will close. I hope you will be a good boy. Yeah, I hope so too. Like I said, I really hope it won't just go straight to the TP from here without us, because that is more painful than a stop loss, in my opinion. So, are you mainly a day trader or a swing trader? I do both, okay? But swing trading requires a lot less time, of course. It requires around 20 minutes a day. So, for me, that's really easy. It comes really easy for me to do the swing analysis, you know? Okay, so now let's go on the 1 hour and see what is going on over here. So, nothing, nothing, and nothing. Okay, we move forward. GJ still in between. GU still in between. UCHEF, there we go. Gave us a beautiful H1 sweep. So we mark it, we go on the 5-minute, and we note the fact that indeed we have a beautiful H1 sweep and that we have an A plus potential depending on the market structure shift. Okay, so over here we have this liquidation as well on the 5-minute. And yeah, right now waiting for a aggressive shift with a VVG, and we could have a setup. On euro dollar, still waiting for the VVG to get mitigated for us to enter the trade. Let me just mark this low as the liquidity, because it is essentially. So that's also an extra confluence, liquidating this low, tapping the VVG, and then boom, going higher. What about gold? So gold, yeah, confirmed the beautiful H1 sweep. As we can see, we didn't close below it, which is great. And waiting for the bullish shift. Okay. And US 30, yeah, it's literally right next to the stop loss now. Unfortunately, like I said, wasn't the greatest trade. With I could have avoided it, to be honest. I was a bit I was caught off guard a bit, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm also human, and I rarely do mistakes as well. It's good that it's rare though. But let's see. For now, let's just focus on EU because this trade could trigger soon. And if it will, I do have pretty good hopes for it, that it could run well. So yeah. I'm inside the euro. I mean, okay, but it didn't trigger yet. So essentially you took a different setup, it means. Can you show us one more time how you set up the low and the high before the New York session, please? Last low and high on the 1 hour time frame, or how do you see them? Like I said, I can show you, but it varies from day to day, you know, and the only way you would be really able to fully understand it is by being in the community and seeing it day after day, you know. Over here, this is the valid high, this is the valid low, the low was liquidated, and then it entered an H1 plus H4 demand. Okay, that was the 1 hour basically. And yeah, SL was hit on US 30. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Let me update in the group as well. And yeah, it's part of the game. Part of the game. Ideally on EURUSD, I would like to see something like this: liquidation of the low, entering the VVG, and then boom, straight to the upside. That's what I would love to see on EURUSD. What about gold? On gold, I'm waiting for a bullish shift. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for on gold. USHF for a bearish shift. GU is in between, GJ in between, and Nasdaq just didn't offer anything interesting. So yeah, let's just stay on EU for now. Let's just chill over here and see if it will tap us in eventually. So yeah. Isn't there a small VVG on gold? Yes, there is, but there is no shift. There is no bullish shift, okay? That's why. There is no setup. Medax, yeah, I know, I've already mentioned it, that the SL was hit on US 30. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. We are waiting for EURUSD now. Hopefully, this one will run well. But firstly, let's see if it will trigger. Okay, that's what we'll have to wait for. Hope EU will save us. Yeah. Let's hope. Let's hope that EU will save the day. Let's hope that EU will save the day. That would be cool. What do you think about the UCL final? Yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting it, to be honest. It's not like I fully expected Inter to win, but I didn't expect it to be that one-sided, you know? Like, it was just a one-sided game. Wasn't that entertaining because of that? Because in the final, we always expect it to be close, you know, to be in the game till the final minute. Those, in my opinion, are the most beautiful finals, as we had in the past, for example, with Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid, when Ramos scored in the final minute. Like, those are the best finals, in my opinion. And this one wasn't like that at all, you know. So yeah, it was a match without history, so to say. But I guess that the Paris fans, the PSG fans, are very happy about it, and yeah, I'm happy for them. I guess I am happy for them. But overall, it wasn't a cool match to watch. For USD, then, in that setup, how much you waiting before cancel the order and becoming invalid? Till the lunch hour, in basically 53 minutes from now. If it doesn't trigger in 53 minutes from now, I will delete it. I will delete it. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't say so, because I think Real Madrid would have been more motivated being in the final, and because of that, I think they would have put up a good battle. I don't say they would win, but I think it would have been a good battle. I think it would have been a better battle. But yeah, it was the way it was, and that's it, really. There's nothing we can do against it. Come on, EU. Don't tease us like this. Okay, equal lows. This is good because liquidity is sitting below. Can't wait to see Chabi in action. Yeah, me neither. Me neither, man. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome, Lorenzo. Yeah, let's see. Oh, GJ is almost taking out the high. UCHEF is not doing anything. Look right here, if we would have FOMO'd in on this super tiny little FVG, this would have been a loss. Okay, so I'm glad that we didn't FOMO in. Gold, nothing. US 30, yeah, US 30, we are done with it for today. So let's just stay on EURUSD. I have a feeling that it will trigger us with the next candle, with this candle basically that just started now on the 5 minute. Let's see. We are at 58 likes right now. Let's see if we can smash the 100 likes for today, guys. That would be cool. And of course, like I said, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well to not miss out on the future uploads and the future live sessions. I have some cool uploads coming, and you guys don't want to miss them out. So yeah. Almost there. Almost taking the buy limit. How many times a week you stream? Publicly, only once a week. I've mentioned this before. Reason I only do it reason I only do it once per week publicly is because I have a very strict schedule. I have many tasks, many responsibilities, and I also have my trading, my own trading, my community as well. The people inside my community, I need to be active with them to do sessions and whatnot, and that's why I am only able to go live publicly once a week. If you would like to get access to all the trades I'm taking, to my strategies, to the live sessions, to the support, you should apply for the mentoring. Okay, and you can do it by clicking the first link down below in the description of the live. And check this out. Check this out, guys. We are in Euro USD now. Let's go. Nice. Let me update in the group that we are in. Now we shall see how it will go. We shall see how it will go. 962. Just right about here. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Where you gonna go? Where you want to go for the next country? I will go on my next vacay. I will go in Greece at the beginning of August. That will be my next country. And sorry. And after that, probably in November or so, I would like to go to Dubai again. That's what I have in mind, at least. That could change, of course, but that's what I was thinking. What about you? What about you, Maddox? What country do you want to visit next? And you guys in general as well. Let me know. China/Japan. Nice. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I want to visit those as well in the future. Not now though, because those are countries that I would like to visit, um, and stay at least for 3 weeks there, or 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You know, to get a feel of the culture, and yeah, just to take the experience in. You know, and you need to have the time for it. You know, right now I'm not able to take 3 weeks off, and not trade. I wouldn't be okay with that. I wouldn't like that. But in the future, maybe I will be, and that's when I would like to visit those countries as well. Nice, nice. In Greece as well, in August. Where in Greece, if I may ask? Sweden, Spain, Emirates. Yeah, Spain is also beautiful. Emirates as well. And Sweden, I was never in Sweden, and that's also definitely on the list. Sweden, Norway, basically the whole Scandinavia is definitely a must. I've heard it's really beautiful to visit them. Iceland as well. Yeah, many places, many places. Mostly Hong Kong. Oh wow, yeah, Hong Kong must be super cool as well. Must be super cool as well. Hi Dan, I'm watching from Botswana. I'm learning a lot from your videos. Keep the videos coming. Yeah, I will keep them coming, man, and I'm glad to hear that. Palma de Mallorca this summer. Nice. That's a very cool location. A very cool summer location. You'll definitely love it. Hey, Tenerife. That's also a super cool one. I never was there, but I've heard and I've seen videos and pictures, and it seems very cool. Then I don't care about any vacays. I just want to make my first money so I could enter your mentorship. Hey, that's cool, man. That's really cool to hear. And the fact that you were saying that shows that you are very motivated, you know, and I very much respect that. And as soon as you'll be ready, man, you know where you can find me. We'll get things going, and we'll get you on the right track. And that's a very good mindset. You know, I respect that, because there's many people that, let's say, they do have some money saved up, and instead of investing it in themselves, they just invest it in, I don't know, maybe clothes or shoes or a brand new phone that's super expensive or a vacay. And I'm not saying that's wrong, but if you invest in yourself first, then in my opinion, you would be able to have a lot more to win and be able to afford more things, you know. But yeah, that's just my point of view. But once again, I really respect that, you know, because summer is here, and most people, when summer comes, they just go in vacay mode. They just transition in vacay mode, and they don't put much emphasis on important things like this, you know, on building yourself up. And you having this mindset here, now, sorry, during summer, that shows that you are motivated, and I truly respect that. And yeah, I have some friends from Hong Kong, and they will guide me through there. Oh, that's really nice. That's a cheat code, you know, in a country like that, to have friends that will be able to guide you. That's a cheat code for sure. And yeah, I'm definitely happy for you, man. I think you'll enjoy it for sure. I mean, who won't? And yeah, check this out. UCHEF getting closer and closer to liquidate this high. And like I said, we avoided taking a loss here by not FOMOing in to that, by not FOMOing into that small VVG. And yeah, for now, let's just stick with gold, I guess. Maybe it could offer us an aggressive shift here. We'll have to wait. Let's see. It did offer a shift, but it is a weak one. Oh, okay. But I'll supervise it and see, maybe with the next candle it will break it. Of course, if it taps this VVG first, it will become invalid. EURUSD is in a small drawdown right now. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. Yeah, gold became invalid. This is not A plus anymore. It mitigated the VVG. And yeah, not valid anymore. In Gargalianoi, hopefully I pronounced it correctly, but it's far away from the airport, so it will be Salonik. Oh yeah, Salonik is super cool. It's super cool. I've been there multiple times. You will love it. It's the people there are also, they have a great vibe, and you'll love it. So yeah, I will go in Crete. I think it's Crete English, and Creta in Române. That's where I'll go this summer. Head and give a look at gold again. We might have an MSS soon. Yep, that is correct. This is the MSS, but it is not a valid one, hence why we are avoiding it. Great point of view, bro. You have a great point of view. You have a great point of view. Otherwise, yeah, you wouldn't say what you said. You know, essentially, we have the same point of view, because I understood your way of thinking, and that's why I added those things. And yeah, I'm happy about it. Yeah, yeah, I guess you're saying about the cheat code. No way, I go to Crete as well. I will be to meet there and not here in Romania. That'll be pretty funny. When are you going there? I will be in Crete too. Might see you all. No way, no way. So many people are going in Crete. That's pretty fun. That is pretty funny. I wasn't expecting it. But when are you guys going there? Out of curiosity. Yeah, loss avoided. There we go. Probably would be avoided over here as well. Come on, EU. We place our hopes in you. Over here, for example, if this trade hits the SL, I won't have any, how's it called? Any hard feelings for it, because it was a clear valid A plus setup. We can check it again. 1 hour liquidated this low, entered this H1 plus H4 unmitigated demand. Very good higher time frame confluences. On the 5 minute, it gave us a good shift after liquidating multiple lows, which is great. Aggressive shift, good looking VVG. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing really to complain about on this EURUSD setup. If it will be a loss, so be it. It's going to be a valid loss. So yeah, there will be no hard feelings for this one. What else could give us a potential? Maybe USHEF, if there's still some gas left in the tank. But yeah, I'm not sure. We'll sit on it for now, but we'll see. Oh, next week you're going in Greece. Yeah, I'll be going in August, man. I'll be going in August in Greece. So yeah, I don't think we'll be there in the same time. Yeah, pretty choppy day today, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it. Fake out day. Was a day filled with fake outs. I will definitely have some hard feelings on the market if that happens. Yeah, I mean, on the market, sure. On us, nothing. Because, like I said, this is a very valid setup. And yeah, we'll see. For now, apart from everything, the only one that could potentially give us something is USHEF, I think. But yeah, we'll have to wait. we will have to wait. I bet my house on EU, Dan. Hopefully it didn't. If it did, that's your decision, not mine. I always stress about risk management, but you guys can do whatever you want at the end of the day. How are taxes in Romania? They're okay, I would say. Of course, they're getting pretty much bigger and bigger as the time progresses. But for now, they're okay compared to other European countries, Western European especially, like Germany, England. Romania is still okay when it comes to taxes. Dan, what do you think about market makers? Do you think there is such a thing? To be honest, man, I don't like to give thoughts on something that I don't know for sure. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's the answer I can give you. Because like I said, I like to give specific answers only if I know that my answer is right. So yeah. Do you think about moving in another country? To be honest, right now, no. I like it here. I like Romania. And yeah, for now, I don't really have in mind to move. But yeah, who knows? Maybe in the upcoming years that'll change. Do you analyze DXY for majors? Nope, I don't analyze DXY at all. Next car, to be honest, man, I have no clue because right now I am loving my current car. So I really don't have a date set for when I want to change it because to be honest, I have it only for like what 7 months. So yeah, and I'm in love with it. You know, I really love it. So there's no point for me to change my car anytime soon, because it also requires time. You know, to look at cars, to choose it, to see if it has options, to call, to see if it's available and whatnot. You know, it's also pretty time consuming, and that's why I'm not willing to go through that to go through that process um, anytime soon. But a car that I love a lot, and I have in mind for the future is the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. It's probably my favorite car, my favorite supercar, um, and I love it. I love it. Blacked out. Um, it's such a cool car. It's not screaming, but in the same time, it is super cool. You know, and the engine, the sound of that car is something else. The sound of the V8 Vantage is something else. So that's definitely a car I have on my list for the future. But for now, like I said, I'm not looking to look into getting a new car. I was thinking about the M3 competition, the new generation, but it's not a big difference between my current car and the M3 competition, and that's why I decided to just stick with this one. And kinda, that's just my opinion. I kind of like the exterior design more on my current car, on the CLA 45S AMG, than on the M3 competition, and the interior as well. I like the interior a lot more on the Mercedes. So the only plus on the M3 competition would be that it is faster and probably it is more fun to drive, you know. But then the exterior design I like more on my current car. The interior design I like more on my current car. And in terms of comfort, I think my current car is more comfortable as well. So yeah, that's why I am not keen to look into that. And yeah, that's that when it comes to to my car plans. um, Top speed you hit on the car. Have you done any mods to it? On this one I haven't done any mods. um, and top speed probably, I don't know, 240, something like that. Kilometers, of course, not miles, kilometers per hour. On the previous one, however, on the BMW, yes, I had some mods. I had a stage 2 tune on it. It was pushing almost 500 horsepower and it was a super light car. And on that one, I think the max I pushed was like 300. It was pretty mental, but it was very like empty, I think. Yeah, from what I remember. EURUSD. EURUSD is pretty close to the entry price right now. Not running well. It didn't have a good reaction on the VVG as we would love it to have. But yeah, for now we're in it and we shall see how it will go. Apart from that, to be honest, I'm not sure we'll have any other setups today, guys. Gold, like I said, gave us a setup, but it wasn't a plus. On UCHEF, maybe we could have something. On GU, nothing. GJ, nothing. And NASDAQ, nothing. So yeah, I would just stay on UCHEF for now because it's the only one that could potentially give us a another potential setup. How is the maintenance? It's pretty cool. It's pretty good on the Mercedes. It's not very expensive, so I think it's a pretty good maintenance. Can you explain why you're not considering NAS for a setup anymore? In my opinion, there is a valid liquidity sweep and rejecting from H4 VVG. To be honest, I haven't really checked NAS anymore because I looked at the 5-minute structure and it looked like it won't give a shift anytime soon anyways. But let's take a look on the 1 hour. So right now, yes, right now indeed it entered a VVG. So theoretically we could have something on it. But the reason I didn't bother checking the higher time frames was because I saw the price action on the 5-minute, and I knew that it wouldn't give a shift anytime soon. You know, that's the reason. But why not? Let's just be professional about it and mark it. So we have an H1 VVG over here. H1 VVG. There we go. We extend it to the right. We go on the 4 hour H1 plus H4 VVG. As you mentioned, we go on the daily and nothing on the daily. And yeah, we're waiting for a shift now. A plus potential depending on the MSS. So yeah, good point. GJ close but didn't liquidate it. Yeah, not there yet. GU nothing. NASDAQ waiting for a bearish shift. UCHEF waiting for a bearish shift. Gold nothing. And EU is pretty close to the entry price. So for now, I'm gonna just sit on UCHEF and on NASDAQ. Okay. How much was your car? The Mercedes was 50K. I bought it from Germany, from a Mercedes dealership. I have 2 years guarantee on it. And I bought it with 40,000 kilometers. Nice, that V8, but no V12. To be honest, man, I like the sound of that V8 a lot better. I'm not a huge V12 fan. So yeah, that's why I like the V8 because it's more, the sound is more deep, so to say. It's more, I wouldn't say manly because I might get hate from it, from saying so. But yeah, I just like it because it's a deeper sound, the V8. Do you plan on investing in real estate rentals and stuff or just trading forever? To be honest, man, I do have real estate in plan as well, but that's later down the line. Right now, I just like to invest in more liquid assets like metals, also stocks as well. And yeah, those are the things that I'm investing now. In the future, yes, later down the line, I know that real estate is a big player when it comes to investments, but not right now. But yeah, for now, I just like trading anyways. Like trading is my main source of income. And then, of course, I would like to diversify and have more streams of income for sure. Do you plan on investing? Oh, I have already read that. What games do you play on PC, on phone in free time? To be honest, on PC, I don't play any games. And I don't play on the PlayStation anymore since like 2019, since I started trading. And nowadays, I rarely play any video games. I just prefer watching a TV show or a movie a lot more than playing a video game. But every now and then, I like to play some PUBG on my mobile phone. I really like it, and I'm also pretty good at it. Actually, I was when I was playing it competitively, like 6 years ago. I was in the Ace division, and it wasn't easy to get there. So I guess I was a good player. But yeah, apart from that, I don't really like playing video games, to be honest. I just prefer playing tennis or going outside or going to the cinema or watching a TV show instead. You know. How do you do in winning trade? Do you take 50% of it in 1 hour or do you move the SL to break even? I move the SL to break even. Ferrari 8112 Superfast is the V12 sound I like for comparison. Yeah, I mean the 8112 Superfast is a legendary car for sure. And to be honest, I like that V12 sound as well. Even though I'm not a V12 fan, that is a V12 sound I cannot unlike, so to say. You know. So yeah, that's a legendary car, to be honest. You know, there's no person on this planet that would say that they don't like the 8112 Superfast. At least that's what I think. So yeah, that's definitely a legendary car. But yeah, I mean, again, in my opinion, the Ferrari is a car that screams attention, screams for attention. And that's why I like and I love the Aston Martin so much. Because it's a car that, yes, from the first time you see it, it's something special. It's a special car, but it's not screaming for attention. That's what I love so much about it. And then the sound of that V8 is, yeah, for me that's my dream car, to be honest. The V8 Vantage is my ultimate dream car, of course. The car that I currently own has been my dream car as well. The car that I previously owned has been my dream car as well. But if I would have to choose like a supercar dream car, it's definitely the Aston Martin. That's for sure. That is for sure. If possible to be the Mansory kit, even better. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the Mansory kit is insane. EURUSD something else, gives perfect looking setup, but they don't really work as well as it looks. Yeah. Oh, I mean, looks like it's back at the entry price. But yeah, to be honest, not the best initial reaction. But yeah, we'll see. It's still running, so there's still hopes. But yeah, sometimes it just looks good and then it doesn't play out good. You know, it's just the way things work sometimes in trading. Oh, GJ swept the high finally. A bit late. But yeah, to be honest, I won't bother marking the higher time frames because I don't think there's 12 minutes left. I don't think there's time for GJ to offer us a shift. I mean, I'll keep an eye on it anyways, but yeah. Hi all. Hey Richard, how's it going, brother? Hope trading makes my dreams come true as well. I mean, it can if you put in the work and you show up every single day. Why not? Are you in any trades? Yep, I am in EURUSD. I am in EURUSD right now, which isn't looking amazing, but it is what it is. I think the market starting to slow down. I also think the EURUSD starts shifting to the entry. Yeah, we'll see. GJ smashed a liquidity. Yep, I saw that, but like I said, I won't bother marking it anymore because in 10 minutes we'll be done trading, and I don't think that in 10 minutes it has time to offer a aggressive shift. What did I miss? To be honest, man, nothing. Because today was a pretty choppy day in the markets. Depending, of course, on how this EU trade will end up running. But yeah. Almost the end of the session. Thanks for the live, bro. I am very grateful. You're welcome, man. I'm happy that you enjoyed it. And hey, what can I say, man? I'm looking forward to have you on board. You seem very motivated, and I would be very happy to have you on board and get you on track. Okay, and this goes for everyone that is serious about trading and likes me, of course, and you would like to work with me. First link down below. If you click it, you'll be able to apply for the mentoring as well. Okay, and yeah, I'm also very grateful to be able to spend time with you guys and have a laugh together and also catch profits together. Even though today wasn't our best day, we remember that in the past we had some amazing sessions with some amazing profits. But trading is made of days like that with big profits, and also days like this where we end up having a loss or two, you know, and the market's not moving the way we want them to move, the way we want it to move. So yeah, it's very important to understand that as well. You closed your USD? No, I haven't. I am still in it. We show up every single Tuesday for the moment. Yeah, you've been consistent too, Maddox. You've been consistent too, and I respect that. GJ is bullish. Yeah, exactly. It's bullish, and that's why I don't see it giving a shift in the next 8 minutes. That's why I haven't bothered marking the higher time frames, the confluences and whatnot. Oh, looks like NASDAQ might give us a setup. Finally. Might actually give us something. So let me draw the line over here. This is the BOS, the shift. Now we need to wait for a VVG. Yep, NASDAQ, correct. You align 1 hour or with 5 minutes. Go back, rewatch the session, and you'll understand. I don't align the 1 hour with the 5 minute. I use the 1 hour for the liquidity levels and for the higher time frame confluences. It's not like I'm taking trades based on the 1 hour direction. Have you ever used SMT? Yes, I use it every now and then. I use SMT every now and then, but as a confluence, I don't base my entries only on SMT. And wow, look at this. Look at euro dollar. That's a shame. That is a shame, but yeah, nothing we can do about it. It is what it is. It's going to be a loss, so be it. And Nasdaq, yeah, I don't think it will give us a shift anymore. It looks like it's reversing now. Yeah, in around 6 minutes we'll end the session. Let's see, we are at 66 likes, pretty solid. Of course, we weren't able to smash the 100 likes as we did in the previous session, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm still glad that many of you were able to join. And yeah, if I have enough free time, does it worth to trade London session as well in the same day? No, trust me. You don't want to trade both sessions because it is very tiring, and you don't want that. I have to go. See you next time. Have a good one. Hey, see you next time, brother. It was a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, have a good rest of your day and rest of your week. And yeah, guys, I think we'll wrap things up soon. For today. And yeah, in around 5 minutes. Just waiting on Nasdaq to confirm that it won't give us an MSS. So yeah, now that we are approaching the end of the session, guys, once again, if you want to stay in touch with what I upload on this channel, make sure to subscribe, and also feel free to turn the notifications on to not miss out on any of the uploads and any of the future live sessions. And of course, if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you click the first link down below, you will be able to apply for the mentoring program. For the people that already applied, right now after we end the session, I will make time and get back to your messages. And yeah, till the next time, make sure to keep it simple. Only stick to A+ setups, okay? And yeah, was a pleasure as always. It was really fun. I'm happy to do these sessions every single week. And yeah, today wasn't the greatest of days, but yeah, like I said, trading is made of both profitable days, amazing days, and also days like this where things are slower and choppier. I'm on 2 trades with 0.5 risk on them and 1 more on Nasdaq. Good luck on them. Good luck on the trades. Hopefully they'll hit your TP. Thanks for the questions you answered, and bye. Bye, man, and you're welcome. You're welcome. Have you received your payout? Yep, I did. I've documented it in the video from 2 weeks ago. Okay, if you haven't watched it, feel free to watch it. When will you exit EU? I won't exit it. I will leave it hit my stop loss or TP. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you very much, 7up. Thank you very much for that. And you're welcome. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. What time do you normally close a trade in a day? I sometimes, if needed, I leave it overnight as well. But on Friday, I will close everything at 6:30 p.m. UK time. If I will still have a running trade, of course. But normally the day trades play within an hour or two. Sometimes even more. Very rarely, I have to keep them overnight. But for the swing trades, of course, I do keep them overnight. However, I never keep them over the weekend. On Friday, I always close everything at 6:30 p.m. UK time, the latest. So yeah. You still wait until US 30 and as close. US 30 already closed. And yeah, Euro USD is in drawdown. But yeah, now that it's lunch hour, New York time, and it is 7 p.m. my time, I am done trading for today. Okay. I look at Dow Jones, and after I see more conferences, I trade Forex. I mean, if that works for you, why not? Thank you, Dan, for your time. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. And yeah, I thank you for joining as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are done for today. Like I said, was a pretty choppy day in the markets, but there's nothing we can do about it. Next week will definitely be better. Okay. And yeah, that being said, wishing you guys a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, and I will see you all soon. Bye bye.